Division World Champion from Lanao del Norte, the Philippines, representing Solid Boxing Gym, Super Bantamweight Championship. All the way from the country of Thailand, ladies and gentlemen, Natapong Jankael. Coming out of the red corner, wearing black with silver. Official weight, 119.6 pounds. He has a veteran professional record consisting of 37 victories, only 4 defeats, with 19 of his victories coming by way of knockout. Former Unified World Champion and the former 2-Division World Champion from Lanao del Norte, the Philippines, from Salmon Boxing Gym of General Santos City, Harris, Marlon the Nightmare Tapales. Round number 1.
Bayan! Ba? Lakas ah!
Once again, we'd like to call on. And 15 seconds of the very first round, we have a winner by technical knockout. And now, the new WBC Asia Continental Super Bantamweight Champion, Marlon the Nightmare Tapales. Alright, so we have here winner by first round, the TKO mga kaibigan, former 2-Division, former Unified Champion, Marlon Tapales. After your fight against Naoya Inoue, itong performance mo, napakaganda. And you said that you want to be a world champion again. What's next for Marlon Tapales?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po sa Panginoon at lalo na po sa mga bumubuo ng mga promotions, salamat po sa lahat, lalo na sa nag-regret sa aming mga Pilipino ng chance bilang isang boxer at opo, next time po, siguro mapapalaman po ako ulit sa ako mga buwas na session.
Alright, so Champ, alam naman natin, kanina si Raymark, first round hindi pinalag. Ayun ba yung naging motivasyon mo para sa first round din ay tapusin mo agad yung kalaban mo?
Hindi ko po sa akin lang po ay pinatansya ko lang po yung mga laban talaga.
Okay, so you are still competing at the super bantamweight. Sino ang napipisil mo makaharap mo in the future?
Kahit sino po, kahit sino.
Okay, any message, Champ, sa lahat ng sumusupport ng Jump Pack ngayon, ang Midas Hotel and Casino to support you at ang iba pa natin mga fighters, mensahe para sa mga taga-suporta mo?
Unang-una po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, lalo na sa mga tao na nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa mga pagkakait po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, lalo na sa inyo mga prayers po. Salamat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And now let us go to the supporting main event of the evening in Pasay City. This next round is 8 rounds under bantamweight category, presented to you by Sunland Boxing Promotions in cooperation with Manny Pacquiao's MP Promotions. Gentlemen, Ken Torres. And he's the one across the ring. Fighting out of the red corner together with his head trainer, Lupito Donaire Sr. Wearing black with silver. Official weight, 119 points. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly representing Simon Boxing Gym of General Santos City, here is Raymark Assassin Gabalio. Technical knockout, your winner, Ken Torres.
Boss. Balance yan, boss.